So my husband and I bought our dream house a few years ago. You know, the one with all the charm and character. But recently we discovered that one of our bathroom exhaust fans was vented to the roof. Yep, you guessed it. A lovely roof leak was the surprise party that we did not ask for. Now, after some frantic Googling and a few too many cups of coffee, I stumbled upon the ultimate solution. This incredible novelty manufacturing soffit vent. Not only does it let us vent to the soffit, goodbye roof leak, but it's the only product out there that actually tosses that exhaust air right out of the soffit's airstream. It's like the superhero of ventilation. Say goodbye to that exhausted air sneaking back into the attic and throwing a wild mold party. With this one-of-a-kind design, the builders and homeowners like us can finally vent bath fans to the novelty manufacturing soffit without worrying about moisture damage or mold growth. So, if you're tired of dealing with surprise leaks and unwanted guests in your attic, it's time to take control. Grab yourself a novelty manufacturing soffit vent and let your home breathe easy. Trust me, your roof will thank you.